कला नियमेन तिष्ठन् नाना अवतार अकरत् भुवनेषु किन्तु कृष्ण स्वयं समभवत् परम पुमान् जो गोविंदम आदि पुरुषं तमहं भजामि। रमन्ते योगिना अनन्ते सत्या नंदे चिदात्मनि इति राम पदेन असौ परब्रह्म इति अभिधीयते। रमन्ते योगिना अनन्ते सत्या नंदे चिदात्मनि इति राम पदेन असौ परब्रह्म इति अभिधीयते। रामादिमूर्ति सकला नियमेन तिष्ठन् राम नृसिंह वराह वामन परशुराम बलराम Buddha, there are innumerable incarnations of the Supreme Personality of God. Ramadi, of whom Lord Ramchandra is the chief. So, Ramadi Murti Sukala Niyamena Tishthan. Krishna simultaneously existing with his innumerable incarnation, like Rama, Nrsimha, Varaha, ityadi. Ramadi Murti Sakala Niyamena Tishthan Nana Avataram Akarat. So Krishna accepted so many innumerable incarnations, but the Supreme Personality, Paramapurusha, is Krishna. Ramadi Murti Sakala Niyamena Tishthan Nana Avataram Akarat Bhuvaneshu Kintu Krishna Swayam Samabhava. In spite of his coming in different multi-incarnations, he personally also descends. Krishna Swayam Samabhava Parama Pumanaju, the Supreme Personality. Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. This is the prayer offered by Lord Brahma. Then again, in the Sattata Puran, the explanation of Rama is given. Rama, the word comes from the Ramadhat, Ramante. Ramante means fulfilling desires. So, Ramante Yogina Anante. Those who are yogis, Karmik Jnani and Yogi. And amongst the yogis, the Bhakta Yogi is the topmost. Yoginamapi sarvesham madgata antaratmana sadhyavan bhajate jo ma same yuktatamo mata. So, yogis, they are not interested with material enjoyment, because material enjoyment is temporary. So Ramante Yogina Anante. Everyone is seeking after happiness, blissful life. But those who are less intelligent, Mura, they are satisfied with temporary so-called happiness of material existence. But yogis are not like that. Yogis are interested in the permanent happiness. Ramante yogina anante, not ante. Antavattu imang diha. Anta means this body. Antavattu ime diha. Nitta sokta sharirina. But within the body, the proprietor of the body is Nitta. So Nitta Nityanam, if I am Nitta, eternal, then I should be interested in eternal happiness. But the eternal happiness is not possible to enjoy by this body. Therefore it is said, Ramante Yogina Anante. So Ananta Raman, that is the description of Rama. Rama means Ananta Ananda, unlimited happiness. Iti Rama padenaso Parabrahma vidhiyate. The Rama is Parabrahma and Krishna is also Parabrahma. Krishna is recognized by Arjuna after understanding Bhagavad Gita. Parabrahma param dhama pavitram paramam bhavan. So there is no difference between Rama and Krishna. Krishna is also Parabrahma and Rama is also Parabrahma. Of Lord Ramchandra. So, we, Vaishnava, we have equal faith and obeisances to all Vishnu Murtis, Ramadi Murtis, Ram, Nisingha, Varaha, Narayan, Mahavishnu. There are Advaita, Achyuta, Anadi, Ananta Rupam. But we, Gauriya Vaishnava, or Madhya Gauriya Vaishnava, we are worshippers of Lord Krishna Murti. Lord Ramchandra's Murti and Krishna's Murti, there is no difference. But, as I have already explained, Krishna, Parabrahma, full-fledged. And Lord Ramchandra is also Parabrahma, but he did not exhibit his full-fledged opulence. So these are very confidential things. But still, on the birthday of Lord Ramchandra, we offer our respectful obeisances at his lotus feet, so that he may be merciful upon us to bestow his bhakti, devotional service. We are all fallen souls. We have no power to approach the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But as it is directed by the Shastra, Sevanmukhi jivado sameva sfuratada. So, although there is no difference between Sri Rama and Sri Krishna, but one devotee is attracted by one feature of the Lord and the other is attracted by other feature. Sometimes it so happened that Krishna disappeared from the Rasa dance and the gopis were very much eager to find out Krishna again. So, when they were too much eager to see Krishna where he is, Krishna appeared as Narayana, four-handed Narayana. The gopis saw Narayana Murti but did not become attracted by him. All the gopis said, "Oh, he is Narayana. Let us offer respect," and they went up. Actually, there is no difference between Krishna and Narayana. Who is that? But gopis were not very much interested with Narayana. They wanted Krishna. Although there is no difference between Narayana and Krishna. Similarly, although there is no difference between Rama and Krishna, some devotees are attracted with Rama Murti and some devotees are attracted with Krishna Murti. But factually there is no difference. But in the Shastras it is said that if you chant the name of Vishnu, Vishnu Sahasranam, by chanting 1000 times Lord Vishnu's name is equal to one name of Rama. And by chanting 3 times the name of Lord Rama, it is equal to one name of Krishna. This is the verdict of the Shastra. So, when we chant Hare Krishna, Rama is there already 3 times. It is not that because we are chanting Hare Krishna, we are neglecting Rama. No. With each Krishna name, there are 3 times Rama name. That is the verdict of the Shastra. Besides that, we are chanting also Hare Rama. Hare Rama and Sita Rama, the same thing. Hare Krishna or Hare Rama, there is no difference. This is also Ramdhan. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In the Shastras it is recommended, Agni Puran, Brahmanda Puran, Koli Santaran Upanishad, the Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Besides that, when we chant Krishna's name, we chant also Lord Rama's name. Just like in the prayer offered by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna, 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 He. Krishna, 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 He. Krishna, 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 Rakshama. Krishna, 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 Pahima. Rama Raghava, Rama Raghava. Rama Raghava Rakshama. Krishna Kesava, Krishna Kesava. Krishna Kesava Pahima. So, devotees, they always chant together Krishna's name and Rama's name. So when there is question of Ramadhan, there is Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That is Ramadhan. So there is no partiality that these people are simply after Krishna. Of course, we are a little more attached to Krishna, but that does not mean we do not know who is Lord Ramchandra. We know that he is also Krishna himself in his different feature of pastime. Ramadimutti sukala niyamena tishtan nana avataram akarat bhuvaneshu kintu कृष्ण स्वयं समभवत परम पुमान जो गोविंदवादि पुरुषम तमहं भजामि।